Want to monetize your Beacons.ai page? Add affiliate links to turn your bio into a revenue stream. As of December 2025, Beacons.ai makes it simple to create buttons, add essential tracking, and use UTM tags for detailed analytics. First, create affiliate buttons. Log into your Beacons.ai dashboard and select Add Button. Choose the affiliate type and enter your affiliate URL like an Amazon product link. Next, set up essential tracking. Use Beacons.ai's analytics panel to track clicks, impressions, and conversions. Integrate with networks like Amazon Associates for automatic reporting. Finally, use UTM tags for detailed analytics. Add parameters like UTM source equals beacons to your affiliate URLs. This helps track performance in tools like Google Analytics. First, log into your Beacons.ai dashboard. Click Add Block and select Button. Paste your affiliate link, like an Amazon product link with your affiliate ID. Customize the button's text, e.g. Shop Now, color, and even add a shopping cart icon for visual appeal. Make it a primary button to grab attention. It's important to make the button stand out and appeal to your audience. Buttons can be styled as primary, CTA, or secondary. Beacons.ai provides built-in analytics to track clicks and impressions on your affiliate links. Access the analytics dashboard to see how your links are performing. You can also integrate with Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics in settings to track user journeys beyond the platform. With the free plan, you are limited to 5 links, but with the Pro plan, you have unlimited links. UTM tags are snippets of code added to your affiliate links that give you detailed information in Google Analytics. For example, the URL https:/example.com/product.utm source equals Instagram and UTM medium is holiday sale. This shows the traffic came from an Instagram button during a holiday sale. This diagram illustrates how UTM tags are appended to URLs, breaking down the page URL, parameter names, and values. UTM parameters help identify the source like Instagram, the medium such as a button, the campaign name, and other details for precise tracking. In Google Analytics, these UTM tags populate your reports with data on traffic sources, mediums, and successful conversions. They help you understand where your affiliate traffic is coming from and which campaigns are most effective. UTM tags are the backbone of your data-driven campaigns. Manually adding UTM tags can be tedious and error-prone. Each parameter needs to be formatted correctly to ensure proper tracking of affiliate links. For example, a typical affiliate URL with UTM parameters includes source, medium, campaign, and other tracking details that must be added manually. Fortunately, Beacons.ai offers an auto UTM feature that generates these tracking parameters automatically. When adding your affiliate link in the dashboard, simply toggle the auto UTM option. Beacons.ai will automatically generate all the necessary UTM parameters for you. This feature simplifies the tracking process and reduces the risk of errors from manual entry. In fact, 68% of users have reported that the auto UTM feature is easier to use. Go beyond basic buttons. Beacons.ai now allows for dynamic buttons with hover effects and conditional visibility based on user location or device type. Experiment with different button styles and placements to see what works best for your audience. Don't be afraid to test and optimize your buttons for maximum impact. These features really make your links stand out. Successful influencers leverage Beacons.ai for affiliate marketing. Casey Neistat promotes camera gear through customized buttons with product images. His UTM tags track referrals from millions of followers, resulting in a 40% earnings boost. Gymshark enables influencers to share workout apparel links with visual buttons. Their tracking shows 30% better attribution, driving a 15% revenue increase. UTM tags ensure accurate analytics. Overall, visual buttons significantly enhance engagement and conversions. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to build trust with your audience. Being transparent about sponsored content and affiliate links helps maintain credibility and complies with legal standards. The Federal Trade Commission is increasingly scrutinizing affiliate links to prevent deceptive practices. As of 2025, the FTC has ramped up enforcement against undisclosed sponsorships, making transparency more critical than ever for content creators. Be transparent about your links by clearly labeling them as affiliate or sponsored content. This includes using disclaimers in posts and on your Beacons.ai page, helping your audience make informed decisions. Keep up with the latest trends in affiliate marketing, such as AI-driven personalization that recommends products based on user behavior, and the rise of sustainable affiliate links for eco-friendly products. These trends are driving higher engagement and conversion rates. Stay updated on Beacons.ai's evolving features, including enhanced analytics, AI-powered link optimization, and integrations with major affiliate networks. Regular updates to the platform can help maximize your earning potential. This space is always evolving, so staying informed about ethical practices, regulatory changes, and platform updates is key to long-term success in affiliate marketing with Beacons.ai.